Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're taking a look at a new subscription to our channel. We're looking at Sips By. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're taking a look at Sips By this month, and for those of you who don't know, Sips By is a monthly tea subscription, and as we always do when we have a new subscription to the channel, we take a look at their website so I can give you further information. So that is what their website looks like there. And what Sips By is, it's normally a $15 a month subscription. But in the, underneath the video, you guys will see there's a $5 off coupon for you guys to check them out. So you guys, if you want to check that out, so your first box would actually be $10. So what this is a tea subscription box, and what they do is they send you teas based on your unique preferences. So when you sign up, you actually get to answer different questions, things on what you do like, caffeinated, decaffeinated, bagged teas, unbagged teas, things like that. So again, normally it's $15 a month, but you do get 15 cups worth of teas. So this is what the box looks like here. And I've seen this a lot online and on YouTube. So I kind of wanted to take a look for myself to see, because I love teas. Especially while you're at work, sometimes you kind of don't want like a third cup of coffee in the afternoon, but you do want something hot, especially now in the winter. So I definitely wanted to take a look and check this one out for myself. So that is what the packaging looks like in there, and this is January's box. So this is what came inside, and on the back it actually shows you information. So this one says made for Lynette, so that's super cool. And then I'm assuming this gives you like the teas that are in here. So I'll tell you what it says. It actually says, welcome to the new decade, Lynette. A new year stretches ahead of us, bright with possibility. We can't wait to see what you make of it. Fuel yourself with these teas and launch it into your best year. Share a pic of your Sips By box to enter to win a free month. And then it tells you the hashtag to use, and then tag them and the brands below in their caption. XO team Sips By. Okay, so looks like I'm getting a Christmas Eve stash tea, ginger peach, black tea, cranberry orange, and lush lavender blooming tea. So let us dive in and into the box. Okay, so this is what the box looks like there. So okay, so I'm gonna grab the very first thing that I see here. Because I'm not too sure what this is. It says a flower pot on it, and I'm gonna just take a look here and see if there's anything regarding this. Okay, this one is lush lavender blooming tea. So it says 1 bloom per pot water. And it says you steep for 3 to 5 minutes and you can re-steep. So this one has low caffeine. This is blooming tea, is made by hand sewing tea leaves into a ball with the flower creation inside. Place 1 bloom into a clear pot or large glass with boiling water and watch the magic happen. So if you guys want more information on this one, you can check out Flower Pot Tea, and you get 20% off with the code FlowerSip20. So if you like this one, or if you've tried this before and you kind of want a discount, you can get that 20%. And actually smell the lavender there. So it says it's going to be low caffeine, so maybe have this in the afternoon since it does have caffeine in it. But that's super cool. Okay, so that is weird. I've never had anything like that before in a box, so I'm not going to open it just in case. I'm ignorant, and all the teas are right there, so I'm not gonna open that one. But this is very cute. I've never seen a tea package come like this before. Let me know if you guys have ever seen like a tea ball before. I've never. Maybe that's how un-tea I am. But all right, so we have a couple different teas. I'm just gonna grab the ones that are similar to each other so we're not wasting any time here. Okay, so I have them separate. Okay, so the very first stash I see here is from Stash. This is from the taste or flavor of this one is called Christmas Eve, and this one says caffeine free. So Christmas Eve, it says one bag per 8 ounces. And then it tells you to steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. And then this one is caffeine free, so that's super fresh. And then this one says exclusive Christmas Eve herbal blend is a delicious caffeine free blend of mint and sweet spices, perfect for a moment of peaceful reflection. And if you check them out and use Winter Sips, you get 20% off at Stash Tea. So that's good. And you can check them out on Instagram if you want to, but yeah, Stash Tea. I love actually getting caffeine free because like I said, I can drink that in the evening, which is what I love. Okay, and I actually saw there's actually 4 of these teas, so that's cool. And then the next flavor we have here is from, it says Davidson's Organics. This is organic and caffeine free. It's USDA organic. And then this is cranberry orange classic tea, so that's cool. And then we actually have 4 of these flavors, so that is really, really cool. And then let's see, where are you? Okay, so this one is also caffeine free. This is cranberry orange, combines cranberry essence with a unique base of chamomile flowers and orange peel and delicate brew with tart cranberry undertones and a tangy citrus finish. So if you check them out at Davidson's Tea on Instagram, and you can use code SIPSBYDT to get 20% off. So if you guys wanted those teas or check them out, you can definitely check them out on Instagram. And then the last but not least, we have 4 teas here, and this is from the company Ginger Peach. Oh, sorry, the Republic of Tea. And this one is, the flavor is Ginger Peach, and this says tea for longevity, round black tea bag. So we also have 4 of these, and these are big. Okay, so this one says, this is high caffeine, so maybe you want to get this right in the morning, so you guys are like super fresh for the day. But this one says, this great tasting black tea offers the sweet lusciousness of peach, seasons with the tingle of spicy ginger, exceptional over ice. That's actually a good idea. You can use this over ice like once it gets hotter, but right now it's cold, so I doubt I'll be doing that, but that's a good idea. And then if you want to check them out there on Instagram for Republic of Tea, and if you use the code SIPS by Tea Rot, you buy 3 get 1 free. That's the code for that. So if you guys want to check that out. And then inside the box, it's giving you more, there's like little postcards for the companies that are in here. So this is for Stash, and then it tells you where to go to get the code off for them, but I gave you that, so you guys can rewind it if you need it. And then this seems to be this is a postcard from Davidson's Organics, so that's cool if you wanted to put this up. That's super fresh because I know people love to save postcards, so this is nice. And then here, what is this? This is Blooming Bouquet Collection. I'm assuming these are like different flavors you could have gotten, and then it gives you the ingredients of each. So we do have that, so that's cool if you wanted more information on it. So we're gonna do a recap and see what all we got. So we did get the flower pot ball tea, so that definitely was unique. I've never received that before. I've never seen that before. Not received it, I've never seen that before. We actually have the Christmas Eve caffeine free tea, and then we have the cranberry orange tea here, and then we have the ginger peach highly caffeinated tea here. So what did you guys think of this month's January box? I think it was awesome. Especially if you love tea, even in the summertime when it does get warmer in the spring, you can put that over ice like the instruction says. So I loved it. What did you guys think? Was it worth it? Is it worth it? I think it's worth it for the price because you get to taste different teas that aren't in the supermarket, especially for the price. Sometimes teas can be very expensive, but this gives you a chance to check new teas out. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought about Sips By. What did you guys think? Definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you dig videos like this, and we will see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.